Alright, so Josiah's got a short little video he wants to make for you guys today. He's going to go ahead and cut open this Calandria Agate for you guys. And this one, if I can get it wet, no more water in my cup. So this one has a really nice pinkish hue to it. So I'm really hoping we'll get some nice purple banding inside of this one. So Josiah's going to go ahead and cut it, and we're going to see what we get. It's all yours. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, quartz. That is really pretty though. Look at that banding on this side there. Really, really pretty. That's not bad. Excuse me. That is not that bad. Not bad at all. It's actually very pretty. Cool. You want to cut another one?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to cut one more.
Very white.
And he said it's really light, so it's probably a geode. And I don't see any windows on this one, so we'll go ahead and cut it, and we will see what we get. See you guys in a minute. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we got. What? Whoa! It's mostly gunk, but look at that crazy geode pocket. Holy cow. That is so cool. So pretty. Look at the sparkles in there. Full of quartz. That's really pretty. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked this short video, and we will see you guys on the next one.